Hello everyone, welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So our today's video is day 3 of daily practice worksheets. Before that I have shared the practice worksheets of day 1 and then day 2. Today I'm going to share the daily practice worksheet of day 3, right? Here I have listed down all the topics which I really want my son to practice on this particular day. This I prepare before night or maybe before a week, right? So today I'm going to share all these topics with you. Before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरी वीडियो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? I have just listed down all the topics which I really want Amish to do on this particular day, so I'm going to share all of these with you. So our first worksheet is a Hindi worksheet from K to H, right? So here I have given some of the letters and I just asked Amish to fill in the blanks here, right? So I have written K for example here, and Amish has to fill after K, which is K here, right? After that G, then which I already written, and Amish has to fill G. So main purpose of this worksheet is to tell the child to write K to H in a sequential manner, right? And this really helps the child to strengthen their K to H practice, right? So our next worksheet is again a Hindi worksheet. So basically for this I have written one particular Vyanjan here and I have just connected it with all other three Vyanjans. So what child is supposed to do, he have to connect this Vyanjan with all of these other three Vyanjans, right? For example, it comes out to be kal kal, kam kam, kap cup. Same it goes here, sir sir, sub sub, such such, right? Then it's hull hull, huk huk. So this kind of worksheets are really useful when you are teaching writing as well as two-letter Hindi words to the child, right? So this kind of worksheets are really useful in that perspective. After this, our next worksheet is an English worksheet. So here I had just asked Amish to write number names from 1 to 20. Amish knows the spellings of 1 to 20 numbers names. So for the practice work, I have given him this worksheet wherein he has to write all the numbers from 1 to 20, right? This kind of practice I keep giving for the revision work of Amish, right? After this, our next worksheet is again an English worksheet. In this worksheet, I have just asked Amish to practice three letters, which is D, G, and Q, right? I keep giving this kind of formation worksheet to Amish so that wherever he lacks in the formation of any particular letter, then he can practice it again and again and can make a beautiful formation of those letters, right? After this, our next worksheet is a reading worksheet wherein I have given a simple passage for Amish to read about at an app word, right? This kind of practice I keep giving in daily practice itself so that I do not skip his verbal practice of reading all the letters here, right? And apart from that, I also do lots of verbal practice with Amish on a daily basis. In future I must be uploading a video of that also, right? So here in daily practice also I just keep giving him, so in any case I do not skip his reading abilities as well. So for that purpose, I include simple two passage reading at least in his daily practice worksheets as well, right? After this, our next worksheet is copy the pattern worksheet. So for this worksheet, I had just drawn some of the circles here and I had just given a particular pattern. It's a random pattern, right? And here I asked Amish to copy the same one. So I had just given him the circles like this. These are the blank circles which I had given him. Then he have to copy this particular pattern using these blank circles, and of course the same color he's supposed to copy, right? For example, in this it's red color, so you have to copy this red color here. Then it's orange in some other pattern, then it's green in of course another pattern, then yellow, and then purple. So colors are different, patterns are different, so child just have to copy all of them, right? So our next worksheet is a drawing worksheet wherein I just written simple statements. First I ask Amish to read this simple statement which consists of only three letters here, right? So first he is supposed to read it and accordingly Amish is supposed to draw that particular object, right? So here as you could see the first statement which I have written here is draw a cloud, right? So first Amish would read it and then he will draw a cloud here. The purpose of making this kind of worksheet is that first his reading capability is getting enhanced, his sight word getting enhanced, moreover his drawing capabilities are getting enhanced, and this is a kind of worksheet which child really loves, right? So this is all about this worksheet. After this, our next worksheet is match the sound. So for this worksheet, at one side I have just written small letters, right, A, B, C and D, as you could see, and at the right side I have written the sounds of that, which are particularly in Hindi, right? So child is supposed to match all those sounds, right? So here, as you could see, A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D. So like this I have written it here, and I have divided all A to Z small letters and their sounds in small chunks, right, in small segments, because when you ask child to match from A to Z on a single page, then it really looks cumbersome, or it's really look ugly when child do matching of those letters at once, right? So for the neatness of the worksheet, I have just divided that worksheet in small segments from A to Z, right? So this is all about this worksheet. After this, our next worksheet is a maths worksheet. Here I have given three concepts to Amish, which is number after greater number and addition and subtraction. With the gap of a day or more, I just keep giving this kind of practice worksheet to Amish because it's really strengthened a particular topic, right? So here, as you could see, I have given the numbers here, right, and Amish is supposed to write the number after over here. Likewise, I have given the greater number as well. I have just written two numbers here, and then he's supposed to write the greater number, circle the greater number instead, right? For better practice of greater number and number fluency as well, what I do, I just flip the numbers. Here, as you could see, is 49 and here it's 94. So what child is supposed to do is, first he will read 4 9 49 and then 9 4 94, right? So as you have seen the difference of how the child is reading the number correctly, right? Both numbers looks alike but both are different, so number fluency is enhancing. Moreover, child is getting a better knowledge of greater numbers, right, as he's getting a visible difference in reading both the numbers all together, right? After that, next is addition and subtraction. Here I just give only three sum to Amish, as I'm just introducing his the concept of standing lines and then adding them or cutting them in subtraction, right? So for that practice also, I just give only three sums here, where he's supposed to solve these subtraction or addition sums by making the standing lines, right? After that, our next worksheet is a maths worksheet of addition. So what I have done, I have just introduced addition here to Amish in form of number line, right? So for that, I have simply drawn a line here and I just marked at a regular distance 1 to 10, right? Now what child is supposed to do, he has to make loops as per the numbers given to him, right? So here I have written 1 plus 8, right? So what child is supposed to write, he has to make one loop from 0 to 1, as a 1 is written here, right? So a first loop would be 0 from 0 to 1. After that, child is supposed to how many more loops, that depends on the another number, which is 8, right? So child would make more 8 loops here, right? And after that, where we reached to 9, so 9 become our answer. Like this, child is supposed to solve this equation in the same way. As you could see here, first child is supposed to from 0 to 2, as our first number is 2, after that 5, so child have to make more 5 loops at the regular distance, right? So where we reach 7, so 7 become our answer. Like this, child is supposed to solve this equation. Again, I am telling, as you could see in this also, first loop would be bigger as the first number in this statement is big. After that, child is supposed to make small loops at a regular distance and then we'll get our answer, right? So like this, child is supposed to complete this equation. This is one of Amish favorite worksheet, I should say, as kids really enjoying this kind of activities, right? So after this, our next worksheet is again a maths worksheet of number line subtraction. So as like addition, again we are using a number line here. So our statement here is 5 minus 2. So first loop the child would make here from 0 to 5. Next is its subtraction. So child would take back loops from here. One loop and then second loop. So where we have reached is our answer, right? So we reached at 3, so 3 become our answer, like this. Example which I'm going to share with you is 7 minus 4, right? So first loop would be from 0 to 7. As this is a subtraction, so there would be back loops. How many? 4, right? So child would make 4 back loops here, right? Where we reached 3, so 3 become our answer. The same way child is supposed to all other equations as well, right? This kind of worksheets are really helpful if you are introducing addition and subtraction to your child. So our last worksheet is a symmetry drawing worksheet. As Christmas was there last week, so I have just given Amish to do this activity. This worksheet, what child is supposed to do, he has to draw the another half. At the left side I have drawn uh, half of the Christmas tree, and the child is supposed to complete this Christmas tree by drawing the other half at the right side, right? Supposed to copy the left side to the right side, right? Moreover, this is a DynoKids worksheet. In case if you need the print of this activity, then you can let us know in the comment section, and we will provide a link from where you can download this very easily, free of cost, right? Another one is that jingle bell, you can say I have given, right? At the left side I have drawn, and at the right side I asked Amish to complete the jingle bell here. After that, our next one is a gingerbread man, and Amish has done it very beautifully for me. After that, there is a Christmas gift, right? So this type of worksheet are really helpful for the child in terms of brain development, right? So for that purpose, I am just giving all these kind of worksheets to Amish, right? I just hope that you find this video useful. If so, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let us know in the comment section what you feel about this worksheet. Are they useful to you or not, right? And soon we will coming up with more daily practice worksheets, so stay tuned with us, and thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.